Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the Amazon CloudFront, and we have a content. If you want to serve like Amazon CloudFront, so we do have a S3 bucket. We have a real-time domain and SSL certificate using AWS SSL. This is completely based on the production scenarios, right? So what is the key learning from here? So how to using S3 bucket, mapping the Amazon CloudFront, and why we use CloudFront. So this is just why like high speed content traversal, right? So we do have a different type of edge location. So CDN will achieve your high performance if within your website. If this is hosted is multi environment, like multi location. Okay, so how this will work, let me show you exactly. This is my domain. Actually, this is the domain, and this is index.html page. These pages are being saved in S3 bucket, and S3 bucket I have created CDN using S3 bucket, and S3 bucket CDN endpoint mapped with Route 53. I will go you end to end, right? So this will come in this way, right? If I have two pages inside that, this is error.html, right? So default is index.html. So how we will achieve this solution? So we can start from our end, right? Okay guys, let me stop for a moment. Okay guys, I have deleted all these things. Some is pending, so let's create a one bucket. Okay, I will show you end to end, like how the things will work, right? So please keep patience. So earlier one is which one is working. This is the bucket. Okay, so I will create one more bucket. I would say it's a demo. We just need to name the bucket. It's Cloud Bucket Labs Demo. ACL disabled. We just need to allow all public access. I will keep a one policy, only GET will work in this scenario. Okay, so bucket versioning and all these things, as simple as that. So our bucket is demo, bucket is created. Okay, so I will copy one policy for a GET. Basically I have added here. I will copy. Sorry. Okay. And this is our newly created bucket. We just need to add, because by default we cannot allow public access. Okay, so we just need to be limited this access using this. JMO. Just what does that mean? Effect is allow, principal anything, action S3 GET. Only we can view object which is stored in this bucket. Okay, so I just need to save it. That is being saved. Now we just need to upload some data into this bucket. Okay, so index.html and all, right? Let me stop. So in this bucket we do have, right? Okay, so just upload the content, add files. Okay, and basically these two files we need to select, control. Okay, just open, and this is two file, just needs to be done upload. that is uploaded successfully. Our S3 part is done. This S3 part is done. Domain I to have already, my domain is already hosted. Okay, so let's go for the CDN perspective. Let me show you one more thing, right? You have open your YouTube and search my channel Cloud Solution Labs. So we do have a many playlist. If you want to know how to check in domain videos, right? What is my domain and all, right? So AWS ALB, this is two video already created, how to create ACM certificate, ALB load balancer and all, right? So this is, you can see inside that in my channel. Okay, just click on my channel AWS ALB playlist. Okay, so you can go through. Okay, and let's do that. Why I am giving this, right? Because I have already purchased this domain. Okay, cloudsolutionlabs.com. So that's why I told you. So now our S3 part is done, and we need to go to the distribution. So you just need to search CloudFront. Okay, so CloudFront is open in front of you, right? Sometime it's open like this. Okay, so I have already, which one is working, I have going to delete. Okay, that is deleted. So now we are going to create a distribution. Basically you need to understand S3 we do have initially S3 plus domain and CDN. So CDN mapped with S3, and S3, inside S3 we do have a document, Route 53 you do have, and CDN itself has a capability for SSL. Okay, so now we are going to CDN. So single website or app, it is asking single website or app, right? So we just need to put origin. So origin is our data is where this bucket. Okay, so we just need to create this bucket. We do not need to provide any original path. This is not recommended at all. Public access, but bucket must allow public access. We do have a public access, but we have added one policy only, get content. Okay, so hope you understood. Enable cache if you want, so that is this, and production purpose we need to add this, right? Okay, and we want only redirect viewer protocol policy, redirect HTTP to HTTPS, so our SSL will work. Okay, restrict viewer access, no, and these are the, I would say, legacy I can select. And I need to allow all for this course, like cross origin, right? So you just need to click on these, right? This is only header, what you need to be put inside that. Okay, so these are these things, smooth stripping, no real-time logs. Here we do not need to involve WAF. Okay, we need what is a price class. So this is, first one is very high, second one is little less, third one is all, right? So we just need to not all we can keep only this one as well, right? But we need to keep this. Add a CNAME, yes, www.cloudsolutionlabs.com. This domain I do have already, right? Okay, you can go through my AWS ALB playlist, so you can understand. SSL certificate, this is already created in AWS. If you can go through both videos, right, which I told you, so you can get the clear picture. This is the this right, it's already created. I have already created in a ALB playlist. Okay, and I selected this domain. Okay, and this is the normal one, and HTTP default root object index dot html. Okay, we do not need to put forward slash. Okay, make sure this is, and create the distribution. Let's wait for a moment, right? Okay, this is showing. Okay guys, we'll wait. This is nothing, it's showing just some like I would warning type of the things, right? And I have updated one www, so just know me cloudsolutionlabs.com only. Okay guys, this is deploying. Here you can see this is deploying. Okay, I will add a little bit until it's deployed. Okay, because this is the endpoint basically. Okay, and it is deploying. This is cookie. If you want to change alternate domain, so I've told you I have removed www. Okay, so this is the error, and we do have a origin. So origin is being configured, this one. Okay, it's the S3. Okay, behavior, we can keep here behavior look like this one. Behavior means redirection, which you selected. Okay, this is the header and all, right? If you want to update here, so you can update, you are easy. And course policy and all, right, it is up to you. This is a little long video. Error page, you can configure your error page accordingly, right? If something is issue will come, so directly it will hit error page. Okay, so this is like error according to the HTTPS. Okay, you can configure and all these things. This is the interview question as well. How will you configure invalidation? This is also an interview question. How will you like restrict which pages is will not like cache? So we can add it here, right? Tags and logging, it's up to you. So now we come to this task, right? This is S3 bucket. Amazon CloudFront is done. Domain part, like our domain mapping. So Route 53. This is pending. So let's see once more. This is deploying, and what we need to add the domain. This is okay. This is, so we can open Route 53. You can understand we need to add a CNAME record. Okay, so this is the things, right? I told you whatever required things like invalidation, error page, custom and all, right? Course policy, you can learn little more, right? So I'm just going to add a one CNAME here. Basically in a last testing I have already added, but let me remove, delete, and adding. I add www, and I need to select CNAME, not a record. Okay, otherwise we will not able to update. This is, and this is the same. Okay, and just need to create record. And now this record is created. Okay, this is the value. Okay, let's see the distribution. If you guys like this video, kindly do like and subscribe, because it's a big help for me, right? Because I'm putting my all effort to get this done as per the production. Okay, this is still not completed. Let's just stop for a moment, like it is deploying. Okay, now guys, it's been updated properly, so nothing is like deploying here, right? Okay, and let me do one more thing, right? This link need to be copied. Control C, go to the Route 53, and edit record. Here you need to check two things. Okay, in value part there is no HTTPS and all, right? Okay, sometime it will come. Okay, this is an interview question. Okay, how will you update with CDN endpoint, like distribution endpoint? Okay, so if you copy directly this, right, directly this, and paste it in cache browser, so HTTPS coming directly. Okay, I just Control C, Control V, HTTPS coming. Okay, that's why you need to add in DNS only this value. Hope you got it, because last time I updated, I think, HTTPS. And apart from that, we have updated in our cloud solution lab. So first, index.html, I have uploaded one different file, so I did that. This just rename. Okay, so now the situation is look like we have created this CloudFront. Sorry, okay, so CDN, S3 bucket, domain, and CDN. If you want SSL and all these things, how to ACM domain and load balancer, so you can go through my AWS ALB. Okay, so now we just need to Control Shift and www.cloudsolutionlab.com, that is coming. Okay, index.html by default, error.html, that is coming, error.html. Okay, and inside that this is, I told you, we do not need to paste HTTPS CDN. Okay, make sure this journal distribution and all, right. If you guys like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. It would be a great help for me. Origin, I will show you in front of that. That is the origin, and this is my bucket. Okay, cross checking my things, right? Behavior, this is a different origin. Here is also a bucket name. Okay, demo. And invalidation, if you do not want to cache any document, so just create here tags. I know logging, everybody knows about that. I have default disabled. This link, we just need to copy this only, not HTTPS with Route 53 update. Okay, this is my alternate domain name. Here I update it once again, www. Okay, when I'm creating, so I can keep www. Okay, that is the thing, right? If you guys like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.